Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine. So this is chapter number 16, Transport and Communication. So in this chapter there is only one video and it is a very short video notes, short chapter it is. So we will just start with this. Two parts it is here in this chapter, transport, and the other one is communication. So yes, let's start with this chapter. I hope you are familiar with these words, that is transport and the other one is communication. So the first slide which you can see over here, you can see over here in this slide the pictures. These are some of the pictures which helps in transporting the goods from one place to another, whichever place you are staying, residing. So it helps the work to make it more easier. And then, as you all remember that very previous days, very long back days, what it happened to be, people, first what happened, if people want to transfer from here to there, or if they just want to transfer their goods from here to there, then they take the help of animals. In a very previous olden days, they took the help of animals. Okay, and these animals helps in transferring the goods from here and there. But as soon as development started, so many things started invention, like wheel was also invented. Then people started using carts to move around. People started moving around with the help of these wheels, and they made it a cart. So these are some of the different types of, as soon as the things started developing on and on, then the things also developed, many things were invented, and by that only nowadays we are using so much of things. Technology has invented so many things that we are using it and making our work easier. So here, means of transport. First let me tell you what is transport. This word you must be hearing since from, I think, standard 1, means of transport. What do you mean by transport? I think you might be hearing in EVS subject. In EVS this word comes transport, and you would be reading that in transport bus is there, train is there, ship is there. These are the things. And what is the purpose of transport? From transferring the goods from here to there. In simple, we can say transportation means moving people and goods from one place to another. In a very simple term, if you want to understand what is transport, then transportation or transport means moving people and goods from one place to another. Okay, now there are different ways of traveling also, how the things are transferred, how the things are transported. You can just transport the goods, or you can travel through roadways, railway also, or waterways, airways. These are some of the different ways of traveling. If you want to just go to your friend house, then what you will take? Roadways you will take with the help of your bicycle or car or scooter or bike. Then you will take a roadways. Okay, and if you want to just go to your vacation, during vacation period, what you will take? Either you will take railways or airways you will take. Okay, and waterways also you can just take it. So these are some of the different ways through which you travel, or you can travel your goods from here to there. So there are 4 ways. First one roadways, second one railways, third waterways, and the fourth is airways. So first we will discuss about roadways. Now what are roadways? First you understand from the word only. Particular word is coming, road. So those vehicles which are running on the roads, roadways. Now here in road also there are two types of road. So two types of roads are there. Here I have depicted over here two pictures also. One road you can see here, the condition of the road, and the other road condition you can see over here. Oh, it's not visible little bit. Yes, so here you can see first row, this one road, and the second road, which is very much smooth and good road. So here in roads also there are types of roads. One is your metalled or pakka road, and the other type of road is non-metalled or kacha road. So now you can understand only which road is called a pakka road and which road is called as a kacha road. From the picture you can understand. So yes, this road will be what your, of course, kacha road. Now here you can see the condition of the road, all the gravels, all the everything, sand and everywhere it is spreaded up. No proper road is not here. While in the second picture you see this road, it is such a smooth and slopey road, such a nice and clean road. So that is what a pakka road, that is a metal road. And this is what your kacha road, or you can say the other name non-metal road. So these are the difference between roads. Now in roadways only there are some more things which are coming, that is your highways. Now what are highways? Have you seen or have you traveled any time? Okay, so we have long roads. We have long roads in our country also. They are known as your highways, which connects town and cities. Which connects towns and cities. That is known as your highways. That is known as your highway. So here one more picture I have shown you. Just below you see, yes, this one. This picture is a highway. This is highway, and the oldest highway is Grand Trunk Road. In short you can say GT Road. And this Grand Trunk Road was built by Sher Shah Suri in 16th century. Okay, very past year it was done, and it was in during 16th century. You can just imagine how old it was, this highway road. And from here transport, you can just connect to different places. Okay, so here this road runs through northern, central and eastern part of India, and it is connecting to different places such as your Delhi, then Aurangabad, Howrah. With the help of this road only, this road will only take you different places. It is connecting, it is a kind of a connecting road to different places. So the importance of highway is also there. And how it was built by Sher Shah Suri. He only managed and he only built this road. So now in this roadways, what are the different transport which are running? These are some of bus, cycle, bike, scooter, etc. Okay, many these things are running. Auto is there, rickshaw is there, many things are there which are running on the road. Bullock cart is also there which is running on the road. So these things are running on the road. Now next we'll come to railways. Now railways you are familiar very easily. You all have been traveled in railway. Everyone, I think everyone must have traveled in railway. So Indian Railways, it is one of the cheapest means of transport. This transportation everyone can avail it. It is the cheapest means of transport. And first train in India, it ran in 1853 between Mumbai and Thane. So here the picture is over here. This picture, the first train, first train in India, which ran in 1853 between, and the distance was from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, not longer distance, it was a shorter distance, and there from there only the journey started of manufacturing the trains. Then two kinds of trains are there, passenger train and goods train. You might be knowing and you might be saying also, passenger train in which all the people are sitting, and goods train in which all the goods like coals or any things you want to parcel it, any heavy goods item you want to parcel it from one city to another, those things are parceled. So that is what railways. Now we will come to next one, waterways. Now here waterways which runs over water bodies. You all know these are some of the waterways. The picture also showing ship is there, submarine is there, yak is there, then cruise, boat. These are some of the waterways which you can travel through. Then comes airways. It is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. Fastest and most expensive means of transport. That is your aeroplane. And it is mostly used for a very longer distances. Like if you want to travel from Ranchi to Bangalore, Ranchi to Kolkata, okay. But if you want to travel from Mumbai to Thane, then that is not possible. Mumbai to Panvel, that is not possible. It is for longer distances. So there are two types of airlines, international and domestic. If you are traveling inside your country only, that will be domestic airlines, and if you are traveling out of India, then that will be international airlines. So these are the basic difference. Next, now the next topic is on communication. Communication, it is the way of sending or receiving the messages. Nowadays our life has been very easy. If you want to just send your messages, if you want to convey any of your messages to someone, then it is very easily done, but in previous days it was very hard to send, very hard. If you want to convey that like during the period, ancient period, medieval period, these people, they were not having so much of technologies, so they used with the help of birds. They used to write on a leaf and then send with the help of a messenger. But nowadays what it has been, life has become very easy. Slowly development started. First it was letter, then telephone came, then parcels was also there, sending the parcel with someone's hand. But nowadays what happened, online delivery, everything is online. It is through internet basis communication is being going on. If you want to convey any message, if now studies also, how it is being on online. So everything, it has been online. Communication has become very easy. So, and in communication we can see the internet is the fastest means of communication. If you want to say your message, just WhatsApp it and your message is gone, you have conveyed your message. So these are some of your communication means of communication which I have just presented on this picture over here. Books are there, Gmail, television, then transistor, very olden days it was having. So yes, you can see in this picture, then mail also you can send through internet, magazine, from magazine also you can get the information. And if you want to just know about something what is happening in the world, then from internet or from television you can just know about what is happening in the world. So yes, this was about communication, and I hope it's a very small chapter, it's a easy chapter also, you can also just go through it. And yes, you will be getting the question answer and textual exercises, everything. It will be posted in Google Classroom, and whatever it is given in the video over here, you have to write it in your copy. So okay, thank you.